We got 3 hours, you know, let's bang out and make a movie.
Let's do it.
Alright, another round.
Yeah, but you know what? Let's get something a little nicer. We got something to celebrate.
We do?
Yeah, we do. Charlie, you got the job.
Really?
Yeah, you got it, man.
Are you
I
serious?
just found out today, just an hour ago. Yeah.
Yeah, yes!
Yeah.
Oh,
So what should we have? What do you say? A little vodka? You cool with that?
yeah, make it double.
Two vodkas?
Yeah, because-
Just a single for me. I need to.
He's the governor. Oh, thank you, man. This
Yeah.
is... Oh, tonight's
You
great.
deserve it, man. I'm glad. This is gonna be good.
Oh, good. So now I got something else to be proud of, not just quarterback back in the day.
That's right. That's right. Nothing wrong with being the quarterback, though, right?
Yeah, one point in time.
The ladies liked it. That was for sure.
Yeah, remember that girl?
I recognize her.
Rachel Wilson?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, remember that?
But oh well, I don't remember it. I mean, I'm sure you remember it.
Yeah, locker room stuff.
Oh. I know what you're talking about.
After every single game.
Right.
Yeah. Twice for 2 touchdowns.
Right.
Hey, where's Carly? Where are the girls?
Oh, I don't know where they are.
Well, hello.
Suzanne, how are you?
I'm great. How are you, Carly?
I'm doing well. It's been so long.
Oh, yeah, it has. 20 years.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe you're here.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting, isn't it?
Well, it's good to see you. It really is. What have you been doing? What have you been up to?
I work for the FBI now, at the
Oh,
secret
wow.
department. You know, I know how to keep secrets.
You've always been good at that. I appreciate it. You have no idea. And you know, being here, I knew it was going to bring up a lot of emotions. I knew it was going to be hard for me. But I just thank you so much for always keeping the secret for me. You're the only person that knows.
Wait. You have not told him?
That is definitely a girl in a female gender. My name's Debbie. We got a date tomorrow night.
Yo. Yeah, I just got those results back right now. Yeah, it's 100% legit. Yeah, apparently the guy's name is Charlie. Also Charlie. Yeah, Charlie Donovan. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, no, you're right.
Well, it's good to see everybody again.
Yeah, it's great.
It's
Yeah.
really been way too long.
It is.
Yeah, it's been very long, hasn't it? Oh, Charlie. Just keep your hands to yourself, okay? No, I said keep it to yourself. You haven't changed a bit.
No, you haven't changed at all.
No.
Yeah, I got a few grays now, but you know.
I don't see them.
Yeah.
So what's your son's name?
Charlie. Yes, please. Thank
What?
you. Call him Charlie.
Really?
Yeah.
Charlie?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, and she just loves the name, and you know now that he's got it, I wouldn't be able to think of it as any other name. So
Cheers to Charlie. Sounds like he's doing better than all of us.
I mean, cheers to
Well,
Charlie.
I'm running low. Jimmy, do the worm.
my God, look at
you're gonna split your chin.
Oh.
Charlie, what are you doing here?
You've been lying to me my entire life.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. Stop lying.
Hey, keep your voice down.
No, you don't understand. She is lying to you too. I took a test, all right? I took a DNA test. I figured it out. My real dad is Charlie Bonodan.
Charlie Donovan? You fucking serious? Is this true?
What? How do I know?
Is this true?
I don't know anything about
Were you two together?
Don't you remember?
Carly, what the fuck?
Are you fucking kidding me?
17, man. Jesus Christ.
Look at them.
You don't give a fuck about my feelings or his.
Are you with
That's
her?
what I did. I saved.
Were you with her?
This is ridiculous. This can't be fucking real.
Forget your job, dude. Forget it.
God, what the fuck?
How did this happen right now?
Because you lied to everybody, that's why.
My life is over.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
over.
Charlie. Hey, this is crazy. I don't know anything about this, you know. Your mother never told me this. I didn't have a clue I had a son, you know. And you're actually my son. Yeah. I'm sorry.
I just have one question. Why were you on the website?
I wouldn't really worry about it, buddy. But I mean, we look pretty similar. If you're my son, I'd love to get to know you. I didn't know anything about it.
I guess we can see each other around.
Yeah, well, I just...
I'll let you go.
God, this is mind-blowing. Okay, well, do we hug? Or, I don't... Yeah.